You've been lied to for so long about affiliate marketing, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you what affiliate marketing is and how you, as a beginner, can start and scale through in 2026. Let's dive into it. First, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's products and earn a commission when someone buys through you. It's so simple. Let me explain further. Affiliate marketing is when you help someone promote their product that solves a problem that people has, and when someone shows interest, buy the product through you, you earn a commission. That is how simple it is. It is not simple, but it is simple. Okay, let me give you another example of what affiliate marketing is. Let's say someone creates a video editing course and you promote that video by teaching people how to create content, how to create and edit videos, how to make high quality videos and edit those videos. And your audience shows interest in that video. Oh, I want to learn. Oh, I want to learn. What you will do is to get a unique link to that product. Share it with the people that need it once they buy. Let's say the product is 20,000 Naira with 50% commission. Once they buy that product of 20,000 Naira, you earn 50% of the money. 10,000 Naira, and 10,000 Naira goes back to the product owner. The owner gets 10,000 Naira and you as an affiliate gets 10,000 Naira. And in 2026, people are making so much money from affiliate marketing because they understand attention, trust, and conversion. And this is what I'll be sharing with you in this video. And you as a beginner can follow this exact strategy and make your first commission. And here are a few mistakes that most beginners make and why they are always stuck. First, why most people fail in affiliate marketing is they think that affiliate marketing is quick money, is a get rich quick scheme. So what they do is they copy their link, spam the link on groups, post everywhere, DM to make money. These are the type of things they post on their status. But this is 2026. People no longer buy from strangers. People buy from who they know, like, and trust. That is why content creators are making the most money now from affiliate marketing and digital product creation. They use a product, they recommend that product to their audience. When their audience buys, they earn commission. Even they go as far as creating their own product, sharing it with their audience, make money once their audience buys. Well, what beginners do, they don't even learn well. Most beginners don't learn well to start making money. They're just so much interested in making money part of it that they do not even know the products they are promoting. There's so much focus in telling people, even creating lies just to sell their products. But here is it, most times those lies fall back to them and they don't make money. They end up abandoning the whole thing and tagging affiliate marketing as a scam. If you want to start affiliate marketing in 2026, follow these simple steps. First, get attention. I know you've heard this countless times. Attention is currency. If you can be able to get attention through your content, through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube, you can make so much money from affiliate marketing. Second, build trust. You've gotten the attention, build trust. Create quality content that people will want to consume. Create content that people will love. Create content that educates people about the product that you're promoting. Teach your audience something valuable about your product. Don't just spam your link. Teach them. People love when someone teaches them. And also, document your journey. Tell people what you are doing. Tell people what you have done and failed. Tell people the exact strategy that you are using. It will help you build more trust and help people click on your link to get the products that you're promoting or you are using. The third step is move people into a community. Once you build the trust, create a community, maybe a WhatsApp community, a Telegram, or an email list. You can get people to join this community using a lead magnet. Create something like a free video, something like a free guide, and tell people to comment so well, maybe a wait list or comment system or comment something, just a particular keyword to get into this community. And when people join your community, educate them there, and finally make your offer. Always make your offer, tell them about your offer, And this is the simple way to get people to get your product over and over again, and also introduce them to new products in your community and go alongside with them. And the next thing is best affiliate platforms in Nigeria. This is where most people are stuck because they think that there are no platforms that pays in Naira, or maybe after that your money will get stuck. But there are few affiliate platforms that are paid in Naira, easy to promote, have thousands of digital products that you can promote as a complete beginner. One of those platforms are Seller, www.seller.com. Expania is Nigerian. Stay Cut, even Prompt N. These are digital platforms that you can get thousands of digital products there and promote to your audience. What you need to do is get one product that solves a particular problem. Please don't be random and don't be everywhere. Don't try to promote everything all at once. Get one product that solves a problem. Make sure that the product you get is good. Like this is Seller. This is Seller Marketplace. Get any product from according to your niche. Get any product and promote to the people, your audience, and make money once they buy. Okay, since I've already shared the platform for you, the next step is to pick a niche. Your niche is everything you need. Your niche is your audience, your content, what will scale you through as an affiliate marketer. Your niche is your area of focus, what you're going to focus on. And here are 3 best niches that you can start from as a beginner and scale through, and they are high value, they're not training, and they are always on point for you to promote and for you to build on. First is love and relationship. Second is health and fitness. People wants to get fit. People wants to get in shape. Wealth and finance. Everybody wants to make money online. Everybody wants to learn how to manage their money. So if you can be able to go into any of this niche, teach people about it, create content about it, share value around these niches that I have mentioned, you are going to scale through as a beginner. And since you've already picked a niche, what you need to do is to avoid these mistakes that I'm about to mention. If you really want to scale through in affiliate marketing, number 1 mistake is posting your links everywhere. Number 2 is buying fake followers just to feel among. Now let me tell you, those fake followers will never buy from you. They are bots. They are not humans. They will not engage. They will not buy your product. So create an organic content to build your audience, and your audience are the people that will buy from you. Affiliate marketing is a game of numbers, and if you'll be able to get people to your offer, get the attention, build trust, you are going to scale through in affiliate marketing. So you don't need fake followers. And another mistake you need to avoid is inconsistency. If you're not consistent, you post today, you disappear to the next 2 weeks. You don't need that if you want to build in affiliate marketing. The people that are winning in affiliate marketing right now are the creators, educators, storytellers, and community builders. These 4 set of people, if you can be able to attach yourself in any of these 4 things I mentioned, believe me, you are going to scale through in affiliate marketing. Educate people, create content, valuable content. Educate people what your product is all about. Build community, build trust. Then you are going to scale through. Affiliate marketing is not just a skill, it's a real business, and people fail so much because they treat affiliate marketing as a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you can be able to learn affiliate marketing correctly, the right way, start implementing, you are going to scale through and make so much money from affiliate marketing. I stayed in affiliate marketing for a good 1 year. I did not make any single sale. Why? Because I did not learn well to start earning. But the moment I went back, started learning again, I was able to make my first, second, and third commission in 1 month. I did that because I learned, know the product I'm promoting, and was able to scale through.